A resume tells a lot about yourself, and if you want to get that job, you better say something nice. If you're not super creative or simply want to avoid the whole designing process, the best thing you can do is use a resume builder. Hi, I am Ari from Grade Hacker, the non-traditional student's most trusted resource. We'll share the best resume builders and how you can use them to make the perfect resume. Let's start. First, we have a resume builder. The creation process is super easy. You choose one of its templates and start filling in your personal information by completing the different sections one by one. While their templates have a simple and practical design, you can customize the color scheme and pick different fonts and sizes. The bad news is that you can't change the layout and order of the sections. So if you want to add your touch, you are a bit limited. Resume Builder has something that others don't. You can import information from your LinkedIn profile to autocomplete the resume generator. Of course, you can later modify this information and adapt it to the design of the template you choose. They also have great guidance tips in their samples, so you know what a resume in your field should look like. All these features are 100% free. You just need to create an account. We recommend Resume Builder to anyone who needs a straightforward and intuitive design process. Next, we have Canva. It's one of the most well-known online editors. The best they have to offer is their enormous catalog of creative templates. You can start a resume from scratch or pick one of their modern and stylish samples. While only a few are exclusive to premium users, most are available for all. And in any case, you can do your best to copy those pro templates with its many editing tools available. Between us, having a pro account is not necessary at all. Besides picking the font, sizes, and primary colors, you can create custom resumes and include your personal touch. Wait a minute! Did you know that almost 98% of our viewers are not subscribed to our channel? So if you are one of them, be sure to show us your support with one tiny click on the subscribe button. Third on our list, we have resume.com. Easy to use and entirely free. You can access all their features and templates by creating an account. Their data-driven templates are based on what employers want to see in candidates and let you build your resume to highlight your strongest assets. Their catalog is full of simple resume templates that will be more helpful for formal fields like business, engineering, and finance. Another feature that makes this a great site is that they share valuable tips and examples while you are creating the resume. And the cherry on top is that once you finish creating your resume, you can start searching for jobs in their job search browser, all in the same place where you made your resume. So overall, resume.com is a super complete creator you can use for free. Their templates are simple and modern, and while they won't be enough for people interested in creative fields, they will be for any other job seeker. And finally, we have Resume Build. They have customized HR-approved resume templates, and their gallery is more about quality than quantity. From simple and modern to creative and contemporary, the resume samples are designed to do the heavy lifting and bypass the applicant tracking software that recognizes poorly formatted resumes. Their resume maker is pretty straightforward, as you only need to complete your information and the software will fit in the template for you. They guide you step by step and share expert tips and dozens of industry-specific examples to make your resume stand out while making the process easier. Their process might be more advanced and complete on our list, but it comes at a cost. You need to pay a subscription fee, which costs $195 for the 14-day trial, $25 for the monthly plan, or $50 for the year. You must create an eye-catching resume that hooks your employer from the start to stand out from the rest. Find a layout that clearly shows your experience and add your personal touch to make the resume your own. Like and subscribe to our channel and share us with your friends. Tell us in the comments what tips you have to create a resume. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you want to add more skills to your resume, find a course for you on any of the top online learning platforms. And if you are considering going back to college to finish your degree fast, then you'll want to learn what competency-based education is.